Hello, this is Vero Acosta from Coldwell Banker La Costa. Let's go to see some properties. We're here near to downtown Bucerías in the corner of Estadios and Francisco Villa at Océano. It consists of 13 private residences with 4 two-story penthouses, each with its own private jacuzzi, underground parking, and storage come with each unit. Gorgeous rooftop terrace with barbecue area, swimming pool, and ocean view. All just a few minutes walk to the public beaches of Bucerías. Our prices go from about $167,000 to $377,000. There's only 3 units available, so let's check it out.
Hey guys, this is Martinez with Coldwell Banker La Costa. I will be taking you to your next property. Hey guys, welcome to Casa Corazon, located in Lázaro Cárdenas. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, $334,000, and it is over 1,900 square feet. Come take a look.
Hi everyone, I'm Diana Howson with Coldwell Banker La Costa. Let's go see our next property. Okay, so we're at Condo Cambria in Versailles. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 866 square feet, and it's going for listed at $269,000 US. Let's go check it out.